What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we are going to go over this beard oil. I have been reviewing like hair products and, now I'm going into the beard products. I want to try this beard oil. I usually use different type of creams and stuff. So I just want to go ahead and show y'all what I am getting into. The stuff that I've been using, I don't have it no more. So I just ordered this on Amazon, and I just want to show y'all, let y'all know how it smells, and y'all can see how it look. That way y'all can make the decision if you want to buy it for yourself or not and stuff like that. So I will be creating a playlist of all my bald head shavers. So I have all of my bald head shavers, from the Freebird all the way to the Seajoy, Freebird. I have my other ones on charge, Pitbull one, and Kenzen. That's my favorite one. But anyways, right here, this is called Scotch Porter beard oil. It says right here, it says warm spice and musk, moisturizes, nurtures, and adds some shine for a thicker, fuller looking beard. So let's see. You guys, if y'all know anything that can make this go like, let me know. I need my beard like, I want one of those Viking beards. All right. Anyway, so let's go ahead and get into this, you guys. I don't know how it smells. This is my first time opening it, so let's see. Smell like, it's not that strong of a smell. Smell like old cabin, not cabin, but smell like people that will live in the cabin. Sorry to stereotype y'all. All right, but it's a nice calm smell. Ooh, it did make it shiny though. Let me hit some right there. All right, you guys. So there you go. Now I do got a big beard, you guys. It's just when I straighten it, I'm king. I'm just kidding, you guys. But anyways, we're going to try to make our beard go like boom. All right. Probably won't happen because this is probably where my beard stops all the time. All right. But I didn't put that much oil on, and as you can see, it's oily, you guys. This stuff is oily. Now, do my beard look bigger and fuller as they described? Yeah, they promised it was going to get bigger. It didn't get bigger. Anyways, you guys, I'm just kidding with y'all. All right, have some fun with me, you guys. I'm getting ready so I can get ready to do a review, and then I get ready for work. That's my life. I do a review, and then I go to work and my real job, and then I review for fun. And that's about it. That's life, you guys. That's my life. Anyways, like, comment, share, subscribe. Let me know what y'all think. Again, smell is good to me. Smell like wood. Not wood, but forest type of smell. But anyways, that's it. It says warm spice and musk. So, if you don't like it, then return it. It's Amazon, you guys. If you don't like it, I like it. But it won't last long with me if you use this stuff daily. So be prepared to see another beard oil soon. And that will be it. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section, and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next product review.